The first call, of course, I made to Amir and could not get through to him. As per usual. I was like, we have been India's entry. Wake up! 17 messages.
It's not about just taking hundreds and thousands of billboards, but really working on the ground to arrange more screenings.
This is something that honestly marketing and money can't buy, you know, the kind of love that people have shown the film.
One of the biggest torch bearers of non-star cast, breaking down the star system. Sorry, Amir.
You're my champion.
Hey, thanks, women telling women stories. Jyoti Deshpande and Kiran Rao, hello.
Hello.
We meet in New York, of all places in the whole wide world. How exciting.
Absolutely exciting, and thank you for having us.
Hena, thank you for making time for me today. Jyoti, a couple of years ago, 2023, there was a news article and I remember it very clearly because it was so stark. It said, Bloody Daddy to Donkey, Jio announces 100 new projects. And because it stuck with me because it literally in the headline said 100. Now, in these hundreds of projects that you're handling and taking care of, how do you make sure that something like Lapata doesn't get lost?
I would say that out of the 100 projects, I would have put a disproportionate amount of time on something like Lapata.
Yeah.
Because there are several projects that help us fund projects like Lapata. While Lapata was an absolutely commercial success as well, but our reason for going for something like that was the powerful story, was a story of women empowerment, was a story with great purpose and told so beautifully and in such an accessible manner, with a story that is inclusive of the men's narrative and not necessarily going on to bash men. So a satire is, I think, one of the most difficult genres to pull off.
Yeah.
But Kiran was doing it with so much aplomb. And also personally, Amir and Kiran are friends, and I would have loved to be the studio that pulls her out of her 13-year-old hiatus. Vanvas se nikalna. So I was very happy to be the privileged one to do that. And now I'm hopefully never letting her go.
But it is something to be said that this script initially was written by a man. Biplab Goswami wrote the story, and then it came to you via Amir, and then you and Sneha Desai worked on it together.
Yeah.
So thanks to him, and then women telling women stories,
True.
which is something I celebrate.
Yes.
And I love
so
very
Biplab
much.
was the person who wrote it. It was then called Two Brides, and it was a really funny, lovely story, which he very kindly allowed us to sort of rewrite. I wanted to amp up the humor, develop some of the women characters a little more, create a lot more complications in the plot. And yeah, Sneha Desai was the best collaborator I could have asked for.
This is our third interview about this film, by the way.
I know. Is there anything you don't know?
I
about
know
this film?
everything that I need to know about your process at this point.
You could give the answers actually.
I met you the day after it. The first press show went out in Toronto. Then when it released in theaters, we had a Zoom call.
Yes.
और यही बाकी रह गया था अभी करने के लिए.
You're my champion.
Hey, thanks, women telling women stories. But listen, has this sort of venture to this side of the world blown your mind how much work it takes, how much legwork it is to make sure that your film is reaching people?
Yes, it's been a very eye-opening and exciting journey.
Tell me about it.
I had, we came, it's like one of those, we came here with 5 rupees and not really, not quite that. No, but
Local train में जा रहे हैं हम कुछ नहीं हो रहा है ऐसा गाड़ियाँ गाड़ियाँ बाहर.
We actually had some inkling of what this entailed because luckily for us, our own production house has done it once before with great success.
Yeah.
Lagan 22 years ago. But things have changed rather a lot.
Drastically.
So it's been a learning curve trying to
Yeah.
figure out what one actually has to do because actually all members can watch your film now on the Academy screening rooms. But you still want to be doing screenings in order to have, FaceTime with members, have a little more visibility on the Academy website and, through e-blasts. All of these things we only got to know once we came here and sort of started meeting people, got a publicist on board and developed a strategy. Because I think one of the great things about the way people respond to this film is how it works in a cinema theater. So screenings are a great way for you to actually share the film,
Yeah.
even with members, because they get to laugh. It's a very cathartic kind of experience watching it with other people, you know. So yeah, we have lots of stories. How much time do you have?
I mean, you don't have a lot of time. I have all the time in the world. You have all these screenings that you're doing. But Jyoti, as the person who's backing this, as a studio who's backing this, what is the strategy? For like Oscar strategy is a completely different ballgame altogether. Nothing like what we do back home. Do you have a strategy?
No,
in place?
absolutely. I think we have a strategy that we are executing,
Little
which
bit
is
tell.
why you're
I am
interviewing
part
us.
of the strategy.
No, I think
Just so you know.
we have a bunch of expert firms who are helping us navigate the screenings, getting the right people in those screenings, getting the correct word out. See, ironically, our film is available on Netflix worldwide.
That's right.
However, tech companies that run an algo, if you've not watched Hindi films, then you're not going to be shown Lapata Ladies in the
As the
algo
next
as
one.
your in your recommendation list. So really getting the word out that this film exists and just getting people to watch it.
Yeah.
We live in the era of social media. So really maximizing our share of voice in social media to get more people to watch it, and those who watch it, to get them to talk about it,
Yeah.
and get more people to watch it. I think that is what our expert consultants are helping us with. Besides that, so it's not about just taking hundreds and thousands of billboards and trying to make a splash to create awareness, but really working on the ground to arrange more screenings and get the word out about our film and getting more people to genuinely watch it.
My mind boggles to think about how much billboards even cost if you wanted to do that splash right now. It's kind of insane. Kiran, everyone who I've asked this year when I've been doing interviews about their favorite films of the year, and I'm going to ask Amir this question as well, from Karan Johar to Diljit Dosanjh, everyone, the top of mind movie that everybody says is Lapata Ladies. Have you been seeing that happening from within the industry, people talking about the film, and how does that make you feel?
Yeah, I've encountered so much love that this film has brought me. I'm humbled by it. I just feel actually so grateful that, this film actually has a whole lot of solidarity from India and the film industry and anyone who watches it.
Very wholesome, the
It
support
is.
that it's gotten.
It's been really organic also.
Yeah.
This is something that honestly marketing and money can't buy, the kind of love that people have shown the film.
Yeah.
So I feel very, very grateful. The fact that also India chose us to represent the country, that everybody has sent, said, what can we do to support you on this Oscar journey? That's been, repeatedly things that people from the industry ask me.
Yeah.
So it makes me feel great. It makes me feel like we achieved what we set out to, which was that we wanted this story. We wanted to make it so that we can spark these conversations. We can feel this love. People feel charged to tell other people and also talk about some of the things that the film talks about.
Yeah.
So I feel like, mission accomplished already for us on some level.
Now, when you found out that your film is being officially sent, what were the first phone calls you made? Like, did you start reaching out frantically to people who have experience doing this sort of campaign thing? Who were the people you reached out to?
Yeah, the first call, of course, I made to Amir and could not get through to him. As per usual. I was like, we have been India's entry.
Wake up!
17 messages, but yeah, he was in some screening and 3 hours later was like, acha, twirled his mustache. So yeah, so it's actually the first call. So first I asked Amir, he said, kuch nahi, you have to show it to members, do some screenings, vagara. But one of the key ideas and help came from Dheer Momaya, who is a producer of Nalin's film. From Nalin, Pan Nalin himself.
Cello Show.
Dheer and Nalin had done Cello Show 2 years ago. They sat down literally the one night after we got the news and gave us the whole lowdown on what's actually done. Amit Masurkar, Shaunak, who's been like all of
that
these
breeds.
people have helped so much. Kartiki, Guneet.
Yeah.
Guneet immediately reached out, so we've had a lot of support and love from people who've done this journey before, because I wouldn't have known where to start.
Yeah. There's still a very, very long way to go for this film. March mein hone wale hain Oscars, so we have a long, many months of campaigning still left ahead of us. Jyoti, what does the success of Lapata Ladies say to you as somebody who enables and incubates talent about celebrity requirement for movies to be successful now?
Well, I am one of the biggest torchbearers of non-star cast, breaking down the star system. Sorry, Amir.
Twirling his mustache in some corner.
In my set of 100 films, you'll find 10 that have massive stars.
Yeah.
Because those are your 10 poles.
Diwali releases.
But equally, this has been a very successful year for us. But 50% of our films would be without star cast. So I especially like to champion women's stories, and in my long career, I feel proud that I have championed many stories either written by women or women protagonists or directed by women, produced by women. But women's stories,
Because you're one of the very few women in the Hindi cinema space that has the power and the means to make it happen. There are very few women sitting at the top making these decisions. Do you feel that responsibility?
No, I feel that ownership.
Yeah.
I want to do it.
Yeah.
I like I was telling Kiran, I'm her biggest cheerleader. I love to set up other women for success, and I love to be part of that journey. And I still feel that I'm not doing enough. I wish I can do more.
करते रहें अभी तो बहुत काम अभी बाकी है करने के लिए. What are you hoping, Kiran, that within the Academy voters, Lapata, what is going to resonate from Lapata Ladies to the Academy voters, you think?
I think the fact that this is a satire, it's funny, it's really wholesome, and people are going to enjoy it. But at the same time, I think the themes that we touch upon are perhaps universal. It's a story of women's agency and autonomy, and women getting to discover what they really want for themselves and their futures, but told through something that's funny and relatable and quite universal in some ways. So I think people whom I have met from very different cultures have automatically related with it and resonated with a lot of the ideas, and felt like in some way their story is represented as well, even though they're from Japan or they're from Toronto or anywhere else. So I feel like it has a universality because it's about, it's about women, it's about our strength and resilience and our need to kind of find space for ourselves. So I'm hoping voters see that.
One of my favorite mentor figures in this year has been Manju Mai, played by Chhaya Kadam. What a year she's having. What a phenomenal actor. Great year she's having. And my favorite moment is when she says to Nitanshi's character, it's a fraud scheme. What women are told to do and how to live our lives. It's a fraud scheme. Love Chhaya Kadam. She's like great to work with, no?
She is absolutely amazing.
She's nuts.
And she put in so much work into this role because the language was quite different for her. It's a Bhojpuri Hindi, and
She's Konkani.
And she is Maharashtrian Konkani side, and her accent is quite strong. So she put in 2 months of just dialect coaching to do this. Quite apart from the fact that she is at least 30 years younger than this character. So she had to put in all the work to get into the body language of like a 65, 70-year-old, So, she's an amazing actor.
She's awesome. You have a great cast. You found some great people. And I know you and I have spoken about this, the need to get this film to smaller villages, to smaller towns for women to watch it. So I wanted to tell you this, that Rohini Nilankani and Breakthrough Trust have been doing screenings of the film in various villages. And they sent me a video that I want to show to you. I sent it to you on your phone as well, but I want to show you this video. There is this Gram Pradhan who turned up for one of the screenings in a ghungat. After the screening, she took off her ghungat, and this is what she said. If you want to press play.
चौधरी ग्राम प्रधान, मैंने आज लापता मूवी लेडी देखी. उसमें ये दिखाया गया है कि घूंघट नहीं करना चाहिए. घूंघट की वजह से जो फूल कुमारी थी वो घूम गई क्योंकि उसका पति उसे नहीं दिख रहा था. इसलिए घूंघट इतना नहीं करना चाहिए कि जो आदमी किसी को देख ना सके. औरतों को ऐसा सम्मान मिलना चाहिए कि जो सबके सामने घूंघट ना रखें, मिल सके घूंघट हटा के रखें कि सबको देख सकें सामने से.
Bas.
Wow. Wow.
So cool.
She turned up in a ghungat and she took it off, and then she gave this bite
Gave a
to
bite.
camera. Yeah.
It's amazing. I think that really speaks to the power of storytelling. How lucky are we that we get to change, you know, people's ideas, people's
fun.
perspectives. It's so nice. Thank you for that.
I sent it to you
Wow.
on your WhatsApp also, so you can send it to other people.
Yeah.
So one of the things that I'm planning post this December is that UFO they run a caravan service. So I wanted this October to December clutter period to get over,
And then we can-
and Jan to March we will take Lapata all across the villages of India through that caravan. So I wanted to surprise you, but I've told you now.
Wow.
This is
thank
a
you.
scoop.
Yeah.
It's a scoop. Nobody knows this.
Dream come true. Birthday plus Christmas gift for life.
Thank you so much for your time today, Jyoti and Kiran. This is lovely. I will continue to talk to you about your films. Hopefully, now don't take another 13 years for us to meet again and talk about your films. हाँ ना, now पकड़ के बैठ जाओ उनके ऊपर. Just sit on her.
Yeah. If she doesn't want to make one of her 100 scripts that she has and she's hiding, I have scripts that she can make.
Awesome. Thank
Done,
you, ladies.
done.
Thank you.